Look, let's have a heart-to-heart. You're probably overpaying for your tires right now. And the worst part? You don't even know it. Most of you are dropping $1,200 on a big-name logo, thinking it's the only thing keeping your rig on the road. But here's the truth. In 2026, you're mostly paying a marketing tax. While the giants spend millions on Super Bowl ads, a few underdog brands have spent that money on R&D, mastering silica-rich compounds and puncture-resistant tech, offering the same grip for $400 less a set. I've analyzed the lab data and brand histories to find the names that actually deliver. And hey, to make it easy for you, I've put direct links to the best 2026 deals for each of these brands in the description below. If you appreciate this kind of research, join our community of smart truck owners below. Just hit that subscribe button and like this video so we can keep the greedy tire chains on their toes. We're all about helping each other get the best rubber for the least amount of cash. All right, let's talk about the brands that are actually worth your hard-earned money. Number 5 is a total industry secret. Brand number 5, Sumitomo. Now, if that name doesn't ring a bell, you need to know who they are. Sumitomo is actually the parent company of Falken. They've been a global leader in rubber technology for over a century. When you buy a Sumitomo tire, you're essentially getting high-end engineering without the brand name markup. They focus on dependability over drama. Technically, they use 4D nanodesign to control rubber compounds at a microscopic level. It's why their tires stay flexible and grippy, even as the tread wears down. Whether you're cruising the highways of Texas or navigating a rainy commute in Seattle, Sumitomo is for the guy who values longevity and a quiet ride over flashy commercials. At number 4, Vredestein. Most Americans haven't heard of them, but in Europe, they've been a premium choice for over 100 years. Vredestein is all about European precision. They've been sweeping independent best tire brand lists for 2026, beating the big three in safety tests and doing it for a fraction of the cost. Whether it's their 3D siping technology for wet traction or their focus on towing stability, Vredestein proves that you don't need to spend Michelin money to get Michelin-level safety. From the coastal ranges of the Carolinas to the pothole-ridden streets of the Midwest, this brand is a sleeper champion. Brand number 3, Kenda. Kenda. Most people know them for bicycle or off-road racing, but in 2026, their truck division is punching way above its weight class. What makes Kenda underrated? It's their testing culture. They spend more time on their private proving grounds than almost anyone else, perfecting their triple-layer polyester sidewalls. They've taken everything they learned from desert racing and put it into their consumer tires. If you're a guy who needs a brand that can handle sharp gravel, heavy loads, and brutal trails without a puncture, Kenda is the rugged underdog you've been looking for. It's built tough for the American West, but handles the pavement like a pro. At number 2, Hercules. This brand is unique because they've spent over 70 years building a reputation through independent tire dealers, not big box retail chains. They don't have a massive TV budget, so they put that money into their protection plan. Hercules offers one of the best warranties in the industry, including 2 years of free road hazard replacement. Technically, they use sawtooth edge technology to give you traction in that nasty slush or heavy rain. When a brand puts their promise in writing like Hercules does, it tells me they trust their product. Whether you're a contractor or a weekend warrior, this brand respects your wallet. And finally, the number 1 most underrated brand for 2026, Nokian. Look, Nokian is a Finnish company, and they literally invented the winter tire back in 1934. While everyone else is trying to copy them, Nokian is still leading the way with aramid-reinforced sidewalls, the same material used in bulletproof vests. They are the world leader in innovation, and their engineering for grip, fuel efficiency, and durability is, quite frankly, light years ahead of the big-name brands. Whether you're dealing with the heat of the South or the brutal winters of the North, Nokian is the ultimate sleeper champion. It's an insurance policy for your rig, disguised as a tire. Look, choosing the right rubber shouldn't be a headache. If you're stuck between 2 brands or worried about clearance on your specific setup, ask me in the comments. I'm a total tire nerd, and I'm giving out fast, data-backed solutions all day long. Check the description for the latest 2026 pricing and links. If this straight talk helped you out, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. Stay safe out there.